Welcome to Eco Park Resort.
Welcome to Eco Park Resort, where can you feel the nature vibe and peaceful environment. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Eco Park Resort is located at NUST Gabaldon, Nueva Ecija. In the entrance, you can sight the front desk and the breathtaking view of nature. With the 50 pesos entrance fee, you will surely enjoy the inch of Instagrammable corner.
Are you looking for overnight stay? Chill Eco Park Resort is offering a room that has a relaxing and aesthetic vibes.
Resort has also a kiddie pool for your kids, so they can also enjoy your stay. With a 3 feet deep level, surely your kiddos will make a memorable and enjoyable stay. But there's more. Adults also can enjoy with the adult pool in the right corner of the resort. Trivia, do you know that the Eco Park has Olympic pool? Yes, it does.
With the cottages here in the Eco Park Resort, I'm sure that you can truly relax in your staycation. With the Barkada, family, and also event cottages that offers here only at Eco Park Resort.
Hilarious in pools, don't be bothered because you can not only see a relaxing view but also you can feel it more because of the stream in your left side of the resort. Feel the ambience, the atmosphere until you feel relaxed.
Additionally, Eco Park is also connected to breathtaking scenery of Gabaldon Falls. Take a deep breath and enjoy the view in the area. This is only once in your lifetime, so enjoy and feel free to relax. Your comfort and security is their priority. For more information and inquiries, please call the following